don't know, we don't get taught our true history in the schools, ladies and gentlemen, brothers and sisters. And especially for us black people, when we don't know our true history, we don't love ourselves. So how can we love anyone else? But let me explain to you, this power structure doesn't teach us our true history on purpose. If they taught us our true history, they would have to teach us the true oppression of this government. Did y'all hear me? If they teach us our true history, they would have to teach us the true oppression of this government. We just saw it the other day with the Trayvon Martin case. Can I get somebody to say, I am Trayvon Martin?
I am Trayvon Martin.
I am Trayvon Martin.
I am Trayvon Martin.
But guess what? Not only are white people killing black people are killing black people, and we have to address that, ladies and gentlemen. We have to be angry like this anytime one of our youth are killed.
That's right.
We don't care who is behind the trigger. Like I said earlier, whether you're black, white, green, yellow, red, or polka dot, if you pull that trigger, we have to come out and get angry. We've been going hood to hood. It'd have been lovely to see everybody out here. Could you imagine if all us walking down the street talking to the youth, talking to people, giving out information, inspiration, and conversation to the people? But see, like I say, we have to come out on more occasions than just these type of occasions. We have to come out on happy occasions, sad occasions, no occasion. If we need to make occasions. People call me and be like, Aaron, what you got going on Sunday? I'll make up something if I don't have nothing going on. If you're bored, something wrong. There's always something to do, especially out here when you fight for the people.